Hello viewers, I Muhammad Abdul Habib welcome you all to our channel Vipsa Classes. In this video, we'll be discussing Unit 3, Chapter 3, Accounting for Not-for-Profit Organizations. The topic that we are going to cover is Income and Expenditure Account. Here is the problem, page number 128, problem number 7. From the following receipts and payments account of Sri Kalanilayam Nirmal for the year 31st March 2019, prepare Income and Expenditure Account. ये प्रॉब्लम किसका है? श्री कला निलयम निर्मल वालों का है। कौन से ईयर के लिए बनाना है? 2019। सो इट इज एंडिंग ऑन 2019। इट मींस इट हैज बीन स्टार्टेड इन 2018। तो साल क्योंकि 2019 में खत्म हो रहा, इसका मतलब ये साल 2018 में स्टार्ट हुआ था। तो वो करंट ईयर इज 2018 टू 2019। प्रिपेयर इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट। So here are some receipts and payments given with some additional information, and we are required to prepare income and expenditure account. So here is the additional information. Outstanding salary is 500, subscriptions outstanding 1000, depreciate furniture by 10%. Here is the solution. First we'll be writing the heading as income and expenditure account of Sri Kalanilayam Nirmal for the year ended 31st March 2019. The format will be expenditure amount rupees, income amount rupees. Towards extreme left will be writing BR debit, towards extreme right will be writing CR credit. Here we have two balance 2500. This is opening balance, and we are not going to record opening balance and closing balance in income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure में opening balance, closing balance दोनों भी नहीं दिखते. Then we have two subscriptions for the year 17-18 200, for the year 18-19 4500, for the year 19-20 400 rupees. अपना problem कौन से year का है? It is ending on 2019. It means it has been started in 2018. 2018 to 2019 will be the current year for the problem. और यहाँ पे सब्सक्रिप्शन 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20 है। यहाँ पे 18, 19 के सब्सक्रिप्शन 4500 ये इनकम में लिखेंगे। Subscriptions for 17, 18 amounts to previous year, and subscriptions for 19, 20 amounts to next year. So first we'll be writing to buy subscriptions 4500. Buy subscriptions 4500. We have an adjustment, add outstanding. Outstanding subscriptions 1000. So 4500 plus 1000, it becomes 5500. So till now we have learned that any amount relating to previous year should be subtracted and next year should also be subtracted. But here already the subscriptions for previous year, current year and next year are given separately. तो यहाँ पे प्रीवियस ईयर, करंट ईयर और नेक्स्ट ईयर तीनों के सब्सक्रिप्शन सेपरेटली दिया हुआ है, और यहाँ पे प्रीवियस ईयर और नेक्स्ट ईयर को माइनस करने की जरूरत नहीं है. As the amount of subscriptions for previous year, current year and next year are given separately, we need not subtract the amount of previous year and the amount of next year as they are already separated. Next, after subscriptions, we have entertainment receipts 2080 rupees. So it will be shown as income by entertainment receipts 2080. By entertainment receipts 2080. By entertainment receipts 2080. Then after entertainment receipts, we have to sale of old furniture 320, book value 120. It means we are selling the old furniture for 320 rupees, whereas the value of furniture is 120 rupees. 120 की फर्नीचर को 120 के फर्नीचर को हम क्या कर रहे हैं? 320 में बेच रहे हैं. सो वी आर मेकिंग ए प्रॉफिट ऑफ 200 रुपीज. सो इट विल बी शोन एज इनकम. तो इनकम में बताएंगे बाई प्रॉफिट ऑन सेल ऑफ ओल्ड फर्नीचर 200 rupees. So here we'll be writing it as by profit on sale of old furniture. फर्नीचर था कितने का? 120 का था. बेचे कितने में? 320. So 320 minus 120, 200 is the profit earned. We are done with all the items on receipt side. Now we'll be doing the items of payment side. Payments में क्या है? By salaries 3000. So ये regularly pay करते हैं. So it will be shown as expenditure as 2 salaries. इस पे अपने को adjustment है. Outstanding salaries 500. It will be added. तो यहाँ पे salaries कितना है? 3000. So first it will be shown as 2 salaries 3000. 2 salaries 3000. 2 salaries 3000. Add outstanding salaries 500. It will be 3500. Then after salaries, we have entertainment expenses 1600. It will be shown as expenditure to entertainment expenses 1600. To entertainment expenses 1600. Then after entertainment expenses, we have general expenses 600. It will be shown as expenditure to general expenses 600. To general expenses 600. And after general expenses, we have investment 2000 rupees. इन्वेस्टमेंट हम एक ही बार करते तो ये कैपिटल नेचर का है, हम इसको रिकॉर्ड नहीं करेंगे. देन वी हैव प्रिंटिंग 1400 rupees. As it is done again and again, it is of revenue nature. It will be shown as expenditure as to printing 1400 rupees. To printing 1400 rupees. After printing, we have फर्नीचर 800 रुपीज. फर्नीचर हम एक ही बार खरीदते, ये कैपिटल नेचर का है, हम इसको रिकॉर्ड नहीं करेंगे. बट वी हैव एडजस्टमेंट ऑन इट एज डेप्रिशिएट फर्नीचर बाई 10%. तो फर्नीचर हम एक बार खरीदते, ये रिकॉर्ड नहीं करेंगे. बट क्योंकि इस पर डेप्रिसिएशन प्रोवाइड करना है, इट विल बी शोन ऑन एक्सपेंडिचर साइड एज टू डेप्रिसिएशन ऑन फर्नीचर. 800 का 10% क्या होता है? 80 रुपीज. सो ओनली 80 रुपीज विल बी शोन ऑन एक्सपेंडिचर साइड. यहाँ पे एक्सपेंडिचर में बताएंगे हम depreciation on फर्नीचर. 800 का फर्नीचर है, 10% depreciation. So 10% of 800 will be 80 rupees. Then we have balance carried down 600. This is closing balance, which will be shown in receipts and payments account. But as we are preparing income and expenditure account, we cannot show opening balance and closing balance. Now we are done with all the items of receipt as well as all the items of payment. Also, we have completed all the adjustments. Now let us balance it. First, we'll be doing the total of income followed by the total of expenditure. 5000 plus 2000, 7000 plus 500, 7500, 7700, 7780. So the total income is 7780. Followed by the total of expenditure. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6600, 7100 plus 80, 7180. 7180. The total of income is 7780 and total of expenditure is 7180. अब इन दोनों में कौन सी वैल्यू ज्यादा है? 7780 ज्यादा है. So on both the sides we'll be rating the value as 7780. Subtracting 7180 from 7780, we will be left out with an amount of 600, which will be shown as income and which will be shown as surplus. This will be shown on expenditure side as to surplus. ब्रैकेट्स में लिखेंगे excess of income over expenditure. Hope you have understood the topic. See you all in next video. Thank you.